Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's go to today's interview question. I'm sharing my screen, and so today's interview question is: what critical data should be included in a Kubernetes backup strategy? So, what are the things you should back up so that you can recover it fully? So let's look at this. So these are the three things we need to back up. ETCD database is the brain of the cluster, which stores all cluster state, deployment, secrets, config maps, etc. So etcd, this is like a database cluster side. So this database has to be backed up. Then we need to back up persistent volumes where your app stores data. And then Kubernetes YML manifest. Okay. These are the three things we need to back up. So what are the backup methods? If you have to back up etcd for control plane, we can use etcd TL tool because it's like a command line tool for interacting with etcd database. It's like a kubectl for Kubernetes. Like we have kubectl for Kubernetes. Similarly, we have this etcd CTL. etcd CTL is for this etcd database backup. We can do that. But if you're using AWS or any cloud, then we don't need to do this. And API version 3 because it will be using API version 3. There are two main APIs, version 2, version 3. So this is how we back up the etcd database for self-managed clusters. Second one is Velero. So use Velero for cluster and volume backups. It's a powerful open source tool. And first we have to install the Velero, and then we have to create a Velero backup, full backup, and it will create the backup. And then we can export to YML file. If it's a very small cluster, like test cluster or your development cluster or very small one. So what you can do from all namespace, export all YML into all resources.yml. QCTL get all namespace, you get all the YML file into all resources.yml and all config map secrets, etc. from all namespace into configs of YML. And later you can restore like this kubectl apply -f all resources and apply -f configs .yml. So you can apply both to restore it. So this is how you can do if it is a very small cluster, you can manifest. Restore method, etcd snapshot you can restore, etcd CTL snapshot restore. Velero restore you can use to restore it. Velero restore create minus from backup, full backup. So using this also you can restore. Then kubectl apply all OML file all resources of OML. This brings the your deployment services. So if you're using Amazon EKS, let's see tips. Automate backups, cron job, Velero schedules, test restores regularly whether it's really working or not, especially on staging. You can test it and see whether it's working or not after backup. You should check it out whether it's really working, backup is proper or not. External storage for backup reliability. You can keep this restore in the S3 bucket uh, for backup reliability. And also you have to backup secrets and config maps, etc. If it is a Amazon AKS cluster, Elastic Kubernetes service, you can use Velero to backup Kubernetes resources and EBS volumes to Amazon S3. Or optional, you can also use AWS backup for EBS snapshot. And for restore, you can use Velero restore. And you should have proper IAM rules and ST permission properly should be set up. So that's it for this theory part. Now we'll go to the quiz section. Which of the following is the best combination to fully recover a Kubernetes cluster after a disaster? Pod logs, kubelet binary ingress rules, etcd backup, persistent volume, and YML manifest. So answer is B. Answer is B. Etcd backup, persistent volumes, and YML manifest. Second question is, if etcd database is lost and no backup is available, what is the most likely consequences? Nodes will reboot automatically, only network policies are lost. Cluster will lose all its configuration and state. So answer is C. Cluster will lose all its configuration and state. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow Devops Challenge Hub and participate in the quiz and contest. And also follow WhatsApp channel Devops Challenge Hub. Thank you for watching this video and see you again in the next video.